All right, so we have Jason here helping me with another lesson plan. We're doing fractions. Jason has already taken his paper, he folded it in half, and he cut it in half. So now he has 2 pieces to a whole, right? All right, so what would you do if you took this piece and you folded it in half and you cut it in half again? How many pieces would you have?
3.
You would have 3? Let's try it. Go ahead. Fold this in half. And I'm going to fold this one, so that way we have less time. And I'm not going to cut. I'm going to just rip it. So you can cut, okay?
Okay, now open.
Open it and then cut it. And I'm going to tear mine.
I'll be now we have 4.
So we have 4. See? But it's when we put them back together, it still makes one whole piece, right?
Like.
So if we put them together, right? Put them together. It's still one whole piece.
Oh wait, this I don't know.
Well, it came like this, right? So that's one whole piece. That's what we started with, right?
Yeah, it started with that. But
okay. Now we have 4 pieces. So this is 1/4, and this is 1/4. This is 1/4, and this is 1/4. All right. So now you understand what fractions are. We're gonna start with. Normally this lesson is made with brownies, but we didn't do brownies. We're doing graham crackers and marshmallows. And we're chocolate, so we're making s'mores after we get done with this. But right now we're working with what we got. So
I'll hold the box for you.
I appreciate your help. I got it, buddy. Thank you.
Tell me like I'm doing a great job. Is that one for Azariah?
3.
Is that
10.
one for Azariah?
No.
For me?
No, Jason, it's for the lesson. So, what we have is we have this chart that we're going to fill out. Can you get a pen, please, buddy? So,
Valentine's Day. I could choose one.
Just please get one.
One for me and one for you.
No, I just need you to have one, buddy. Okay, so what we're going to do, please don't write on the paper until I ask you to. So what we're going to do first is if we have these marshmallows and I want you to equally share them between me and you, how would you do that?
I would do this.
Okay, let me see.
I would do this.
Okay, so you have the same amount that I have, right? Okay, so you count yours. I'm going to count mine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have less than you. That's not equal. So how would it's okay? How would you make it equal?
Then I will have the least.
No, we want it equal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See?
No,
I don't have enough.
No, that's not. Then we didn't split it right. So let's do this. To split it evenly, how about you give yourself 1 and then give me 1 until they're all gone.
1.
Nope. Give yourself 1. Put it on your pile.
Yummy.
And then give yourself 1. Here. Pick it up, please. Give yourself 1, please. Give yourself 1, please. And then give me 1. And give yourself 1 and keep going until they're all gone, please. All right. So, now how many do you have and how many do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, how many?
5.
And?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that even? So that means we divided them evenly between me and you. We shared them equally.
Wait a second. I'm trying to make yours as mine.
Okay. So we shared them equally, right?
I'm gonna
okay.
Make a frosty
so.
Ta-da, look at my snowman face.
So, on this one, this activity, 2 children are sharing 5 brownies, but we have marshmallows. Yeah. So, actually, I'm going to use the big marshmallows. Go ahead and eat one of your marshmallows as a reward for that activity. And we're going to use the bigger marshmallows for this one. So we have bigger marshmallows to help with this activity. Nope. Leave them alone, please.
And then we can eat them.
We're going to make s'mores out of these.
And then eat the s'mores, right? The chocolate.
Okay, first we need,
With the little guy.
So, 2 children are sharing 5 marshmallows. Since we don't have brownies, we're using marshmallows.
Big ones.
They're sharing marshmallows. So, how many would each child get? So, how would you divide them?
Put them on my parrot?
So, we want to divide them amongst the children.
I do it right?
How many do you have and how many do I have?
3, 2. You have 2.
Is that even?
Oh no, but then I'm gonna have 2, see?
So what do you think we should do with that that last marshmallow? What do you think we can do with this one? Because
cut it?
Let's try it. So go ahead and take that marshmallow and cut it in half.
Marshmallows are hard to cut. 3 from you.
So we have
wait a second.
2. Okay. So we have 2 and a half because you cut that 1 in half.
It was fun to cut it.
So we have how many do we have then? How many do we have then?
3.
No. Is this the same as this one? Are these the same?
No.
This is half, right? Because we cut it in half.
I made it different.
Jason, this is half, right? So you have 2 and
1, a half.
a half. There we go. And how many do I have? 2 and
a half.
a half. So now we're equal, right?
Yeah.
Because you have a half and I have a half and I have 2 and you have 2, right? Okay. Now what about, no, not yet. Now, what about, please put the marshmallows down. Please put them down. Now, we have 3 children.
I got these.
Now we have 3 children.
And 4.
And 4 marshmallows. So how many would each child get? So you can give it to him.
Wait.
1 to him. And 1 to the girl in the middle. And
I guess this one looks like Azariah.
okay, and then 1 to the last girl. Now, what about this one? How do we divide it amongst all 3 of the kids?
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it? I mean, yeah, that's true. We could get rid of it, but we want them to have. We want them to share this one.
Oh wait, I have an idea.
So we need 3 pieces. You need to cut 3 pieces out of that. Can you cut them in 3s? Okay, so that's 1 piece. 1 piece. Okay. I gave them that one. That's 2 pieces and 3 pieces, right?
Sticky.
Yes, it is sticky. Okay, so we gave 1/3 to her, 1/3 to her, and then 1/3 to him. Because we cut the 1 piece into how many pieces?
3.
3 pieces.
Looks like me.
You see how that worked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
So let's do one more. So there are 4 children sharing 6. So let's take this back.
Yum. Gum, 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 gum. How dare you?
So we need 3 more. Oops.
Sorry.
Please put the marshmallows down, buddy.
The little guy I ever saw. Gum, 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 gum. Huh?
Okay. So we have 3 marshmallows, or 6 marshmallows now. And we want to divide them amongst these 4 children. How many would each child get? Let's divide that up amongst them. Okay? So we give everybody 1, right?
This little kid, you know, the boy.
Why would we give him 2? There's 4 kids though. So I'm gonna give her 1. I want to give her 1.
And I'm gonna give him.
You're gonna give him 1. Okay, so they all have one now, right?
What about these two? We should cut them.
We should cut them. Okay, you cut this one, and I'll cut the other one.
Tear it.
Tear it? Okay, I'll tear it.
No, I mean, use that one. It could cut.
No, just go ahead and cut them, please.
You tear it.
Yep.
With your sharp.
Okay, so I've tore mine in half. Oh, and you gave yours to 2 kids, and I'm going to give mine to 2 kids.
That's called
sharing. So we are sharing equally.
This one looks like
is that fair? Does it look like everybody has equal shares?
Yes.
Okay, so we cut these into halves, right? And we cut this one into 2 halves. So everybody has how much? Everybody has how much?
2, 3,
nope.
4.
Nope. Is this a whole?
No.
Is this a whole?
No, ma'am.
So, how much is this?
It's a half.
So this is 1 and
a half.
So he has 1 1/2.
And she has 1
1
1/2.
1/2.
1 1/2. 1 1/2. 1
Okay.
1/2. 1 1/2. 1 1/2.
Okay. So pretty much that is what we can do. We can do them with marshmallows. We can do them with graham crackers.
We can do them with chocolate.
And we also have chocolate that we can do them with.
Now we're gonna make s'mores.
But for time's sake, we are just going to end it at this. The more, detailed that you want to be, you can do 4ths, you can do 6ths, you can do 8ths, 16ths.
Should I eat it?
No, not yet, please, buddy.
We're
Patience.
gonna make s'mores and then cook them in the fire.
So, this is the introduction into fractions, and for your more advanced learners, they can go and do fractions that are equivalent. So you can start off with a large fraction and ask them what is it equivalent to a smaller flat fraction using food, candy, brownies, whatever you like to use. Even apples or bananas or anything like that. It could be healthier. But I chose to do Hershey's and make s'mores because it was a treat for Jason for being my helper in my lesson plans, and I appreciate him a lot. So thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
And this is probably going to be our last lesson plan that I'll have to record for a while. So you want to tell everybody goodbye?
Bye.
All right.